With more than 40 years of industry know-how, Kronen is synonymous with machines that enable hygienic, safe, sustainable, and efficient processing of fresh foods. We are an equally reliable partner for innovative and automated processing lines. Our superior planning and consulting expertise allows us to implement the perfect solution for any customer. The innovative processing line represents state-of-the-art technology and sets new benchmarks with regard to hygiene. The line is designed for large-scale industrial processing and is used to process up to 1,000 kilograms of baby leaf lettuce, or the respective amount of mixed product per hour. Thanks to special weighing belts, mixed product arrangements can be created with high precision, based on predetermined recipes. The Flowway belt system by Synergy Systems ensures dynamic weighing of recipe components that are fed into the line. It communicates with the weighing belt in front of the pre-washing machine, enabling a controlled and continuous product flow for optimal quality of the final product. In addition, the system allows for improved planning of raw materials in relation to the line's desired output. When it comes to optimally removing foreign materials, a combination of a knocking section by Hightech for mechanical selection and the Ventus 1200 optical sorter from the company Optimum Sorting tick all the boxes. In addition, the processing line includes the pre-washing machine Gewa AF, a new development from Kronen, the updated helical washing machine Gewa XL, and the K850 drying system, an update of the K650 from Kronen. Both washing machines and the K850 drying system are designed for large-scale industrial processing and can be combined perfectly. The Gewa AF is a pre-washing machine, employing a new washing system developed by Kronen. It was specifically designed to wash floating leafy product, submerging lightweight and fragile product without creating mechanical stress, and to handle production peaks. The Gewa AF employs a completely novel principle, the active flume washing system. The water-to-product ratio is only 4 liters of water for 1 liter of product. This 4-to-1 ratio is perfectly suited to the pre-washing process. Cell sap, sand and soil can be removed. In total, the Gewa AF in its standard configuration requires 1,400 liters of water. The machine capacity depends on the product being processed. The Gewa AF is capable of washing baby leaf lettuce with a capacity of 400 to 1,500 kilograms per hour, iceberg lettuce with up to 3 tons per hour, and baby spinach at up to 1 ton per hour. The Gewa XL uses a helical washing system, especially suited for large capacity production. This machine can wash large amounts of cut vegetables and leafy products. This also includes mixtures with non-floating products like carrot sticks. With the Gewa XL, the helical rotation process has been designed for a large-scale washing machine for the first time. The system ensures that the product moves through the washing tank in a spiral pattern, creating a travel distance that is up to 10 times longer than the wash tank itself. After pre-washing, for example with the Gewa AF, the helical washing system, as a secondary step, achieves an optimal washing result in an efficient and gentle way. The Gewa XL can wash baby leaf lettuce, for example, at a capacity of up to 1,500 kilograms per hour. Iceberg lettuce can be processed at up to 5 tons per hour. The K850 drying system is an evolution of the K650 drying system from Kronen. Particular attention was paid to the drive system and the hygienic design. The fully automatic machine for the dewatering of cut vegetables, fruits and leafy product, as well as whole leaves, is capable of drying large amounts of product in a continuous and gentle process. The system consists of an infeed buffer belt, the centrifuge, an outfeed belt, and an external control cabinet. Product arrives directly from the washing machine onto the infeed belt of the K850. This is followed by a spin drying process and the delivery to the outfeed belt. Dried product is either inserted into containers for storage until further processing or delivered directly to the infeed belt of an automatic filling and packing machine. Depending on the bulk density and the length of the spin cycle, up to 5 tons of product can be dried in 1 hour. The K650, by contrast, tops out at 2.8 tons per hour. The increased capacity of the K850 is achieved through employing a larger centrifuge drum, as well as shorter cycle times by using a more powerful but comparatively efficient drive system with better acceleration. With the Gewa AF and the Gewa XL washing machines and the K850, Kronen introduces new hygiene standards to the market. The Kronen washing and drying machines are also designed for frequent product and recipe changes during a production shift. The processing line processes fresh-cut product and vegetables in a continuous process and only requires minimal staff. Through the communication of the machines and the visual displays from machine operators, a constant production flow with few interruptions can be ensured, leading to large processing capacity at maximum quality and efficiency.